So guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, share out the video, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. So come guys, let's do this. Right?
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's.
Hey guys, welcome back to Self-Care, Health and Wellness. Welcome back to another video here. We are going to do some workout. Yes guys, some hip workout. We're going to work on our flexibility, on the blood circulating throughout our body. So let's go. Please remember guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Share the video guys. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Awesome, let's go. Let's do this. Here goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is it. Whatever we do on this leg, we have to do it on the other one, right, guys? So let's go. Here goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. 10 guys. Woo! Beautiful. 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 Let's go again, guys. Let's stretch the back. Right? Let's work on the back. Wonderful. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you're tired, guys, rest. Rest, guys. Rest. Rest, guys. If you are tired, you rest. Right? Let's go. 1, working the hip. 2, 3, you're gonna do 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Stretch it out, guys. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. That is it. Stretch. Stretch. Yeah. When you come again, you do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest, guys. Yes, if you're tired, rest. Right? Go like this now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. Rest, guys. Rest. Stretch it out. That's it. Yeah. Stretch it out, guys. Stretch it out. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. Stretch it out, guys. Rest. Rest. That is it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. Please remember, guys, to like, share, comment.